Alright everybody, I'm here on Melody Lane in Midwest City, Oklahoma. It's a little older community, mid-late 50s. House was built in 1959. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5, just under 1,000 square foot, 1-car garage. It's actually in really great shape inside. It's a little outdated, but would make a great little rental. Very clean. Somebody's already cleaned out, which is great. Needs new carpet. You know, family living room here. You got the bedrooms all on one side. They're smaller. Yeah, go straight into the kitchen there. Bedroom number 2. It's great. You can see the backyard's pretty good size. You could put an ADU back here, storage. You got a little shed back there already. I mean, this hasn't been painted in probably 50 years. Bathrooms look a little outdated, obviously, but they're still, I mean, you can just put paint and clean it up and paint the cabinets and new carpet. This would be a good little rental property. Maybe update the half bath here. I don't know what rents are in the area here, but kind of unique. It doesn't have a back door, which is the kind of Jack and Jill room. Kitchen, you know, original cabinets from 1959. But you could paint it, put new appliances in it. You're pretty good to go. Oh, there is a door here. Whoops. Garage goes up in the attic. We won't go up in there. So that's the side. Here we go. Okay. Maybe we can see the garage now. It's a little bigger. There you go. American flag. America. Yeah. Yeah, I love these backyards like this. Good air conditioning. Roof looks good. There's nothing wrong with the ceiling in there. Here's the backyard. Take it out here. The city's been out and mowed the lawn twice based on what we saw as far as notices. So you get probably a couple weed liens, city liens. So it's locked up, so we won't look at it. It shows you a relatively recent new house. Not a bad little property.